Hi guys, so today I am going to show a simple device that I have engineered to help us with the ever-long problem of filling our upper head water tanks. So let's take a look at the system. So guys, let's take a closer look. Let's remove the excess stuff, and here this is basically a support for all the pins which detect the water level. So here, 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 and then finally here it shuts off. So these two are the power cords which power these all these pins, and here as you can see there is a motor, a submersible pump that pours water into this. So let's take a look at the system here. Here as power I have used a Mega 2560 so that we get 5 volt. After the 5 volt power, so from here 2 wires go to the holder I just showed you before, and then the rest supplies to these LEDs which will be showing us the current state of the water tank. This relay which will turn on and off the motor, this buzzer to help us know when it's full, 2 transistors to help us switch off the motor, and basically that's it. So why don't we see it for action? So guys, here's the setup. So as you can see, the pump is angled correctly. Now let's test it. As you can see, the pump is filling up the tank. So the water source is being emptied as the water tank is being filled. And as you can see, the LEDs are glowing. See, the LEDs are glowing. It's showing the exact level of water in the water tank. So all LEDs means it's entirely full, and when it's super full, the motor shuts off and you hear the really annoying beep. So now as you heard the beep, the relay switched and the motor is off. So you'll understand it's off from the buzzer. Thank you.